Hello everyone. It's been a while. I haven't had a video up for a long time. I guess I haven't purchased any of these beauty boxes or even had any time to do any kind of nail videos. But yeah, since it's been a while, I've decided that maybe I should just do a quick video here on an item that I just purchased. A lot of YouTubers or beauty gurus that talk about Korean cosmetics and stuff like that always wear those cute headbands when they wash their face, I guess, to keep their hair back. The one with the kitty ears. So I shopped around, and I believe Ulta had two different kinds, a cat one and maybe a bear ear one. But they were around $6, so that was kind of pricey. So I went on Amazon and I checked, and there's a whole bunch that to choose from, and they're actually pretty cheap. I don't know exactly how much I paid for this, but I'll double check and I'll list it somewhere in the video. But it should be like $1 or $2. But the only problem is it was shipped from China, so it took forever. But yeah, let's open it and see how these look like. I mean, of course, the quality might not look anywhere like the ones that they sell, and I can already tell it doesn't. But yeah, I mean, if you're only using it to wash your face and like keep your hair back, I don't think it matters. I should have gotten the one from Ulta just to compare, but yeah, so it looks like this. Elastic, and it's pretty stretchy, and it looks like it does fit an adult head, which is nice. It is soft, but again, you could feel that the material is kind of thin on the cheap side. But yeah, but I mean, again, I can't complain. I think I only got it for $1 or $2. Free shipping. Okay, so if anyone wants a cute headband, here you go. I'll again link the place where I purchased it. Again, it's from Amazon. And again, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you. So just want to show you, my daughter is trying this on for me. So yeah, she has a smaller size head, and it still fits. So this is how it goes. So now that she has it on, it actually looks a little better. Okay, and that's how